हर खबर से बाखबर रहने के लिए पाक राइज न्यूज को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही बेल का आइकन भी दबाएं।
हसन में बता रहे थे कि आपका फेवरेट प्लेयर हसन ही है और उससे पहले आप क्रिकेट नहीं देखते थे।
Never. I have never watched. Since I met him, I have started watching, and he's the only one I'm watching actually. I cannot understand anything because I'm just watching him and focusing on him.
So your father and your chachu were telling us that one wonderful thing from this wedding is that the families of yours from India and Pakistan have had a reunion in Dubai. So tell us about that.
Sorry, reunion in
Reunion
Yeah.
is you are
आपके जो
from
पार्टनर
India
हैं,
and
आपके चाचू
but families are
पाकिस्तान में रह रहे हैं।
United, of course, like families are going to meet when this kind of relationships are happening. So I'm very thankful for everyone, my family, that they took it very positively. Even for the people from Pakistan and India, they took it so positively. Media took it positively. I'm very thankful to everyone. Thankful to all the wishes people are giving to us. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक करें और नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में अपनी राय जरूर दें।